Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to install some window visor on our Toyota 4Runner. Come on, let's check them out. Alright, so here they are. These are the Autoclover smoke door visor, window visor basically. These are the same brand that I'm using on the RAV4. So I've been so happy with the one on the RAV4. So I decided to get the same brand for the 4Runner. These are smoke. They're like $49.99 when I got them. Time of filming. It's $49.99 last time I checked earlier. And I think there's a coupon also. But yeah, so very simple. I like the plastic. Again, these are smoke. They're not really, yeah, they're smoke. So I like them. So let's quickly install them. Let's go. All right, so important information in here. So after application, do not drive the vehicle for 12 hours. And then after installation, it says here, drive less than 60 miles per hour for 24 hours. And do not go to any car wash. Just to make sure it adheres properly, just follow those steps. So make sure you're gonna apply this wind visor, that you're not gonna use your car, that you're not planning to use your car for the next 24 hours or 48 hours. So yeah, so again, this one helps a lot. All right, so let's proceed. All right, so first thing you need to do is basically just wipe this one out with an alcohol prep pad, and then let it dry. Then just test fit it. And yeah, so this one, it has this cutout in here, which is nice. It gives you basically the alignment. It gives you, just eyeball it basically, and once it sits in here, basically you're aligned all throughout, so you cannot really miss that. One thing I like to do is to heat up the double-sided tape. Just be careful on heating this one up. Make sure you adjust it properly and not melt the actual visor. All right, again, Autoclover, these are really nice. Again, with the one on the RAV4, there's some tiny piece at the back, and it's just dangling in there, and it's still holding pretty well in there, even going through some car wash, and it's still in there. So one thing that I wish they didn't do is the branding on the outside, but overall, again, this should work fine. All right, let me just hit this one up and we're gonna install it. All right, so moment of truth. For sure, I'm gonna mess up on this like I do. So let's align it here. Make sure this properly set, aligned. The height on the end here. Make sure that's all correct before you fully press on it. So I press it in there. Now front. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna peel this slowly, and hopefully it doesn't. There you go. Just press it. Just press it gently, then just press it later, fully. Once you remove the whole thing. Okay. So now let's apply pressure to the whole thing. So we're just applying pressure right now, and basically just do the same thing on the other side and basically on all sides, all doors. Yeah, this one looks nice. Yes, you can see there. It looks nice. I like it. So you just need to put the one here in the back. Do the same on the other side. So again, let me just work on that one. Okay, so the one on the back, I'm gonna use a ladder because I'm short, as you can see. So going to align this. Oops. Once it's aligned, just press it there. Let's check the other end, and it is aligned. Now I just need to gently press it. And let's hope for the best. So apply pressure. There's some white residue coming off. I don't know what it is, but it's something. So let's just apply some pressure. And pray that they will not fly off. So confident that they're not gonna fly off. So hopefully they put, well, I hope that they put some adhesive on this end, because this will for sure flap. Wind, basically. I think it's gonna have some wind noise. Well, we'll see. If not, I'm just gonna retape it and add a double-sided tape on this end to avoid this flap. If you can hear it. Yeah, so that might be an issue, but other than that, good. And also, I hope they put some protective plastic on this one, because it has some scratches. It doesn't really bother me though. I'm okay. They're like exterior parts. It's normal. I don't really care, but I hope they added those, just please, for shipping. But yeah, so other than that, oh, they didn't put tape here. Okay, so yeah, so that's one thing though. So they didn't put tape on this sides. They only put tape on the top. So I think I'm gonna add tape on those. So we'll see, just for additional adhesion. That's, yeah, I hope they did. So the one on the passenger side, I might add additional tape in there, and also the one on the back. So I'll just do that. So with this one, let's see if they're gonna fly off or what. But yeah, so other than that, there you go. So if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below again. That will definitely help. It's an Amazon associate link. So again, this looks good. All right, so these are the visor. They are very well made, and the design, I like them, because when you open the window, unlike the other design, once you open it, it goes from there. So once you open that, there will be this area that is also like not shaded by the visor. So it is on that, so you have that small portion that is open on other brands. So with this one, I like it. It is covered. This is enough. This particular when I open my window, yeah, I like it. So also on the other side, same thing. Basically in the back one, yeah, it doesn't really matter in the back for me, but the one in the front, I like it this way. Again, that small portion in there, I cannot really express it enough that that's a nice design from Autoclover. So yeah, so again, with this one, if you want to purchase them, I'll put the link in the description below. And yeah, and also just in addition though, I don't hear any significant noise, wind noise or any other noise, unlike the other one that I have on the RAV4. On the RAV4 I have not a Autoclover, but I heard some additional noise when I'm driving it, but not on this particular one, on the 4RUNNER. So with this one, good job. I like it. Again, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.